How to use Bank Zelle transfer. In order to use Bank Zelle transfer, it is fairly simple for us to do so. All you have to do is to simply launch the Bank mobile banking application, and this is the option that you will be able to see. Log in using your username and your password, then tap on the login button. Once you're logged in, tap on pay and transfer, then select Zelle or send money with Zelle option. Then after you've done that, if you're enrolling for the first time, you have to follow the prompts to enroll by entering your US email or mobile number after receiving a verification code and accepting the terms and conditions. Once you've done that, you can add a new contact using their US mobile number or email, or select an existing one. Input the dollar amount you wish to send, confirm the payment details, add a note in the memo field, and then tap on the send button. You'll see a confirmation once the payment has been sent. That way you can use Bank transfer with Zelle option. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.